Sorry for the poor lighting and the bad setup. So I was writing the script and I was searching on YouTube because I want to see how other people was reacting to this thing. And guess what I found? I found nothing. I found that no one uploaded any kind of reaction video to this particular device. And guess what we're going to do now? Make a first reaction, so that this is not just my first reaction, this is literally the first reaction on YouTube. So what is this device? This is JingPad A1, and this is the product from JingTech, the company that made JingOS. So if you don't know what JingOS is, it's an iPad-like Linux distro designed for tablets. So as you can see, it looks pretty much like an iPad, but it's not iPad. This desktop environment is based on Plasma Mobile. If you are in the Linux community, you probably know what I'm talking about. Anyway, all you need to do this device uses a highly customized desktop environment that it's not really that compatible with other desktop environments. I tried Genome on this thing, but it didn't work because according to their development team, the drivers are not ready. So you have a very iPad-like multitasking interface, and you have a desktop Chromium, which is something that you can have when you have a desktop operating system. And of course you have Firefox, because why not? This device really reminds me of a Chromebook. As you can see here, you have Fruit Ninja, even though this is in Chinese. And anyway, this is an Android game, and as you can see, it works. So running Android on Linux is nothing new, and you probably expected to use Mbox, and guess what? It didn't. It uses proprietary special patent technology developed from ground up by JingTech, which I appreciate. I guess it works. Theoretically speaking, this should offer better performance, better integration, and just better stuff in general. As I said before, or as this device itself said, this is a sample device, and it's like super beta. As you can see, it can't rotate its screen. So I tried to manually rotate it in the KDE setting, which didn't work, unfortunately. But I'm pretty sure they will have a better driver when they actually release this product. I would expect the final product to be much better and much more polished. This is just the first look at this very neat device. Hope you like it. And yeah, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye.